Have you seen those ads claiming a tiny plug can save you up to 35% on gas? I'm talking about the so-called Fuel Phase Saver, sometimes called Fuel Save Pro or Syngas OBD. They promise you'll get more miles per gallon just by plugging a gadget into your car's OBD2 port. But is it legit, or just another automotive scam? Let's get real. The OBD2 port in your car was designed for diagnostics, not for magically rewriting your engine's programming. If a $40 gadget could actually improve fuel efficiency, don't you think car manufacturers would have built it in already? When experts opened these devices up, they found nothing but a simple circuit board, a few LED lights, and sometimes a lone resistor. In other words, no tech wizardry, just some flashy lights to make you feel like something's happening. So why do some people swear they're saving gas? Here's the catch, it's mostly the placebo effect. When you install one of these things, you start paying closer attention to your driving, smoother starts, gentler stops, less idling. That's what actually helps your fuel economy, not the device itself. Let's talk evidence. The EPA has tested more than 100 of these so-called fuel-saving gadgets. Guess how many worked? 0. Not one made a real difference. And plugging random electronics into your car can even trigger warning lights or mess with your warranty. So, what actually saves gas? You don't need a magic plug. Drive gently. Avoid hard braking or rapid acceleration. Keep your tires inflated and your engine well maintained. And if you're waiting somewhere, turn off your engine instead of idling. Bottom line? Don't fall for the fuel phase saver hype. Save your money, skip the scams, and stick to proven habits.